Hey guys, it's Dave Mormon. I'm your home service business coach. I hope your day is going great. As I make this channel, I try to post one video per week to bring you practical tips on how you can grow, scale your business, get to that next level. I work with self-employed individuals who, are on the truck and they want to get themselves off the truck and transition from self-employed to business owners. So today's video, I wanted to address how are you going to get your phone ringing? What is the best ways to grow your business on a shoestring budget? So this video could be a whole lot more in depth, but I'm going to just give you some practical, actionable advice that you can turn around and put directly into your home service business. So first of all, with marketing, what I do in my home service business, what I teach is you want to be going in marketing for that 10x return. So if you're going to spend, say, $500 on Facebook ads, you need to be booking $5,000 in revenue from that ad set on Facebook. So there's too many owners running around, spending $1,000 on Facebook, booking $2,000 of work, and you're thinking, oh, I'm getting work, staying busy, but for a 2x return is super bad. So you want to grow on a 10x ROI that I'm going to explain here. So if you're small, if you're starting up, firstly, I would recommend being very cautious moving into paid ads too quickly. So that includes Google PPC and Facebook ads. I know those can work and I have friends who've had lots of success with them, but just be very cautious. Again, we want that 10x return, and what I'm seeing is these large platforms turning into it's a bidding war, and so whoever is paying the most is getting eyeballs and therefore getting opportunities to provide quotes. So just be very careful. We still leverage social media in our business, but what we do with Google is we just push our reviews so much and our SEO that we get ourselves ranking really good in our service area. So just be very careful as you go about building your business with where you're putting those marketing dollars. Again, a lot of people are doing them, but I think the paid ads work well in your really busy season. When you're already really busy, you can turn them on because you're already getting a lot of demand for your services, and therefore that ROI is going to be better than it would be in a slow season. So be careful with paid ads is what I want to start off this video cautioning you with. So what we do and what I teach is I deploy a neighborhood buzz campaign. And so what that means is you want to drive around in your territory. So if your home has 30,000, 50,000, 100,000 homes, whatever it is, drive around and start to identify where those affluent homeowners are. They could be gated communities. You're looking for people that are making take-home income at least $120,000 per household and beyond. These people are wanting to hire out their services. They're not going to do it themselves. They have a high pride of ownership and they want to really upkeep on their home that they have. So you want to first identify where your target neighborhoods are. Once you've done that, you can map it all out on Google. We do it all color coded. We grade areas A, B, or C. So A is those like gravy neighborhoods that I'm talking about right now. B's are okay and C's would just avoid. They're not going to be your target market, so don't worry about them. Once you've identified those neighborhoods, what you want to do is you want to deploy neighborhood buzz. So as soon as you say land your first job in that neighborhood, first thing you want to do is put a sign up on the lawn. The second thing is you want to have magnets or have your truck wrapped so that when you roll up, the neighbors are all seeing you. You want to be wearing a professional uniform for your company so that, again, neighbors are going to see you. When you're done the job, you want to leave a sign behind just in the client's property. A little stake sign says that you service the property. Again, neighbors walking by, they're going to be seeing that. You want to put a sign at the entrance and exit of that neighborhood. You need to be cautious with this because certain neighborhoods have certain regulations for different HOAs that you can't put a sign there, you'll get in trouble. So just be careful with that one. But as long as you have the homeowner's permission, you can leave a small sign on their property when you're done and just ask them to recycle it after a week, just to help grow your local business. You also want to be doing those 5 arounds. So you want to be delivering to the 5 neighbors around the house that you're doing. A small flyer with a handwritten price, you pop that in the door. That works great. You also want to be door knocking this area. So our Gravy neighborhoods will have, you know, 200, 300, 400 homes in them. We're going to go through and door knock those in teams of 2. We're going to knock on the door, say we're in the area, we're offering free quotes. Do they want to sign up and get a quote? So that's our neighborhood buzz campaign, and that's what I wanted to be the purpose of this video. Is you don't need to break the bank spending tons and tons of money on paid ads. I know online is attractive, but so is this boots on the ground marketing approach that in my program we go a lot more deep with that and actually work with business owners who want to get themselves off the truck and get their phone ringing, and we actually lay out a plan for how do we actually go about doing these strategies, because they're easy just to say, to do them, but you actually need some accountability and you need to make sure that you're getting momentum doing them. You know, if you've never done door knocking before, you're probably not going to believe me right now that, oh, of course it works, Dave said it works, okay, but it works for him, probably not for me. But for me, with my painting business, we had 2 neighborhoods, each had about 80 to 100 homes, and we did $80,000 of work in each of those neighborhoods. So it was like fantastic return. When you get in these amazing Gravy neighborhoods, they're gonna pay you for your services. Once they see your sign, your truck, they're gonna start calling in because they know you did Bob's house and you did Mary's house. And then when you're showing up to do the quote, you can already say, you know, we did so-and-so's house and we did this person, and this person was great to work for, because these homes are all very similar. Similar careers, similar incomes, they drive similar cars, they hire the same service providers. These people are busy that make a high income, and they want to put these services on autopilot and have someone like you who's respectable, wearing a nice golf shirt, presentable, you're professional, you roll up in your nice truck, and you show up as the expert. You can take this problem off of their plate and get it handled. So definitely want to look at deploying that neighborhood buzz campaign like I talk about. I'd be happy to discuss this more with you. Actually, if you are interested, you can actually book a free call just down below. Click the link. You can get on the phone with me for 45 minutes. This is not a sales call. This is a call where we actually dive into your business, and I try to give you one piece of value on that call of something that you can implement into your home service business. My pressure washing business currently does about $700,000 per year in revenue with a team in place, and so these are the practices that I preach that we are currently doing and which have helped me grow and scale my business. So if you want that free call, book it below. If you want to hear about my services on that call as well, I can tell you all about my program where I work with owners of pressure washing businesses to get your business systematized and growing on the next level. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video.